Building a blog that generates $500,000 annually is challenging yet achievable with the right strategies. Search engine optimization is the backbone of any successful blog. Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords for your blog. Focus on long-tail keywords that address specific audience needs to improve search visibility. Incorporate headings, meta descriptions, and image alt tags to improve search engine rankings. Collaborate with other bloggers for guest posts and create shareable content like infographics. Use Google Analytics to track performance and refine your strategies as needed. To hit the $500,000 mark, diversify and optimize your income streams through advanced monetization. Partner with high-paying affiliate programs in your niche for better revenue. Create premium products like ebooks and online courses tailored for your audience. Offer exclusive content through paid memberships and use platforms like Patreon to manage subscriptions. Apply to high-paying ad networks and optimize ad placements to maximize earnings. Partner with brands for sponsored content that aligns with your audience's interests. Effective marketing drives traffic and grows your audience, essential for success. Use social media marketing on platforms where your audience is active and engage consistently. Build and nurture an email list to grow your subscriber base using tools like MailChimp. Repurpose content into different formats to share across multiple channels and expand reach. Collaborate with influencers for cross-promotion and establish authority through networking. To sustain growth, continually refine your strategies by analyzing performance and staying updated. Here's a sample monthly income breakdown: affiliate marketing, digital products, ad revenue, sponsored content, memberships. The road to a $500,000 blog requires mastering SEO, diversifying income, and employing smart marketing strategies.